Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
California Numismatic Investment Review. When planning for retirement, securing your wealth with the tangible assets can be a game changer. California Numismatic Investment CNI offers a unique opportunity to diversify your portfolio with the gold and silver through a self-directed IRA. In this video, we will explore how CNI service work with the benefit and by the standout in this precious metals market. Founded in 1980, CNI has stabilized itself as a leading name in this precious metal industry with a strong reputation for transparency and customer education. CNI provide investors with expert guidelines and navigate the gold and silver market with confidence. Whether you are the first-time investment or seasoned professional, CNI offers a targeted solution to help you to build a secure financial future. CNA also provide a comprehensive range of services to make investing in precious metal IRA easy and accessible. Gold and Silver's IARS. Securing a retirement with a tangible IARS approved precious metal. Direct precious metal purchases by high quality bullion and coins for the personal investment. Educational resources gain valuable insight to make informed investment decisions. Secure storage options. Store your assets and IRS approved securities to a peace of mind. CSI offers a diverse selection of investment grade metals that meet IRS finest standard. Gold 995 including American gold anges and Canadian gold metallics. Silver 999 fine features American silver anges and Australian silver kangaroos. Platinum and palladium 995 fine including American platinum ages and palladium bite. With a wide selection of trusted products, CRI assure your investment and meet the highest standard. Investing in precious metals, IRA with a CNI offers a numerous impact. Advantages. Inflation heads growth, a silver help to protect your purchasing power over the time. Portfolio diversification risk. Reduce risk by adding assets that more independently or stocks and bonds. Economic stability. Precious metal provides a security during times of market volatility. Tax benefit. Take advantage of tax differentiated growth and other ISS approved. Long-term value. Precious market have been a reliable store and wealth of our generations. Setting up a precious metal IRA and CNI is a straightforward and seamless process. Choose a custodian. CNI work with a reputable custodians to assure a compliance. Fund your account, transfer funds from the existing IRA and roll over a 401k. Select over matters, choose your verify and IRS approved gold, silver, platinum and palladium option. Secure storage, your metals to stored in the IRS approved dispository and maximum security. Monitor and track your portfolio performance and adjust as needed. CNI assures cost transparency with their no hidden fees, so you can invest with their confidence. Custodian fees typically range from $100 to $300 per year. Storage fees, flexible options with a segregated and commitment storage. Shipping fees, competitive rate for the assured and secure diverse. What makes the California numismatic investment a standout choice for this standard? Over 40 years in the industry, we will reputation our excellence, trusted customer services, personalized support, and expert guidance. Wide selection of IRA approved metal. Choose from the high quality coins and bullion. Commitment to education, empowering investors with their knowledge and insight. CNI has earned a high praise from their thousands of satisfied clients. Trustpilot considers the positive rating highlight your expert service. Google reviews, customer comment on CNI knowledgeable team and seamless transaction. BBB integration recognized from the transparency and ethical business practices. CNA operate with full compliance to IRS regulation, assuring an investment are safe and secure. IRS approved metal are gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, with meat are straight and purely standard. Regulatory compliance, strict adherence to a financial and tax regulation, secure storage assets are stored and trusted IRS approved facilities. Like all retirement account, a CNI RAI offers a strategic tax benefit. Tax deferred growth, a traditional IARS allow investment to grow without immediate taxation. Roth IRA benefits enjoy tax-free withdrawal in retirement. In kind of distribution, receive physical, mental, in-seat or cash when taking distribution. A California numismatic investment precious metals IRA is a reliable way to secure your financial future. Build long-term wealth, protect your assets with gold and silver. Invest with confidence. Take control to your future. Want to learn more? Visit CNI website to request your free gold IRA kit and start planning for this stronger financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more insight and investing in precious metal.